Manon Bannerman, one of the most recognizable members of the global girl group Katseye, has been at the center of the discussion since her temporary hiatus was announced in February 2026. As a fan favorite member known for her confidence, charisma, and unique presence, her absence naturally raised many questions among fans around the world. Why did Manon go on hiatus? On February 2026, Hype into Jiffen officially announced that Manon would be taking a temporary hiatus for group activities to focus on her health and well being. The statement emphasized that the decision was made after thoughtful discussion and both the company and the member fully support her. Although the company did not reveal specific details about her situation, fans immediately expressed concern and support. Many appreciated the fact that Manon was prioritizing her health rather than pushing herself beyond her limits. After the announcement, social media became flooded with discussion. Some fans accepted the explanation and wished her a speedy recovery, while others speculated about deeper reason behind the hiatus. Various theories spread online, but none were officially confirmed. The situation gained even more attention because Manon is one of the most visible members of Katsuyam and has often attracted strong reaction from both supporters and critics. Some fans also discussed the challenges she may have faced as the group's only black member, although much of this remains speculation rather than confirmed fact. For several months, Manon remained largely absent from group promotions. Katsai continued performing at the major event and released new content without her participation. The group's single Pinky Up and related promotions did not feature Manon, leading many fans to wonder about her future with the group. One moment that sparked discussion occurred when fans noticed that Manon had removed Katsai from her Instagram bio. This led to rumors that she might be leaving the group. However, shortly afterward, Manon reassured fans through viewers and that she was happy, healthy, and supported by Hybe and Giffen, and still having positive conversations with the company. Katsai members also publicly expressed their support in interviews. Leader Sophia said that Manon was doing well and that the members were rooting for her. Laya referred to Manon as their sister and emphasized that they wanted to give her all the love and space she needed. These comments reassured many fans that there was no visible conflict between Manon and other members. Even recently, fans have continued to notice occasional message and activity from Manon, showing that she remains connected with supporters despite her break from public schedule. In my opinion, Manon's hiatus was the right decision if she genuinely needed time for herself. The entertainment industry is extremely demanding, especially for young artists who constantly face public scrutiny, criticism, and pressure to perform perfectly. Taking a step back to focus on health should never be viewed as weakness. Instead, it shows maturity and self awareness. I also think fans should be careful about believing every rumor online. During periods of silence, speculation often spread faster than fact unless information comes directly from unknown or official sources. It is impossible to know exactly what is happening behind the scene. At the same time, I understand why many fans feel worried. Manon is an important part of Katsai identity, and seeing the group promote without her naturally feels different. Her stage presence, personality, and connection with fans are difficult to replace. What impressed me most was the support she received from fans worldwide. Rather than demanding immediate answer, many chose to prioritize her well-being and send encouraging messages. That kind of support is exactly what artists need during difficult periods. As of now, there has been no official announcement regarding Manon's return date. However, both Manon and Katsa have indicated that communication remains positive. Fans continue to hope that she will eventually return when she feels ready and healthy enough to do so. Until then, the best approach is patience, respect, and support. Whether Manon returns soon or takes more time, her health and happiness should always come first. Katya's journey is still unfolding, and many fans believe that Manon's story with the group is not over yet.